Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we'll be picking few cards, Leos. So these cards are for your general energies first. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, Leos. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have many of you asking me for personal reading, but I'm not doing it right now. But I have a good friend of mine who is doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her, guys. I will be sharing her link in the description. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. We have Page of Air, High Priestess, and Three of Water. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you may feel really drawn to certain things today. You are, really sensitive, feeling really sensitive today. Some kind of inspiration or intuition is working in you, helping you to make some choices today. You are deciding on something important in your life, and your intuition is helping you, guiding you in whatever decisions you are making. And you are someone really, curious. You are a person really devoted and curious about new things. You want to learn new things. You have a lot of interest in, accumulating knowledge, skills, and talents. So, whatever chance you get, you go towards that, Leos. And you are feeling really curious today, and your intuition or your inspiration is guiding you in your uh, day to day. Maybe some important decisions you are making based on your intuition. Maybe in this relationship, you are making an important choice today. Your intuition is telling you something. It is telling you something about this person, whether this person is the right one for you, and what is the level of commitment you have or they have towards you. So, there is some kind of decision you are making today. You are thinking about this love. You both may have a beautiful understanding. You know everything about this person. You have a clear understanding, and maybe whatever this person is being revealed to you, their mysterious side, and you have a clear understanding what they are, and maybe they are revealing their secrets to you. They are talking to you, communicating to you freely because they want you just like you want them. You have this mutual love, understanding, and trust. That is what I see, guys. So you have that desire to understand each other. That is what is making this relationship work, Leos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, Six of Fire. So with this card, in your maybe this person is thinking of you and they feel that you are inspiring them. we talked about this energy already. We said that you are feeling truly inspired, happy to be in this relationship with them, and maybe this person feels truly inspired when they are with you. That may be the reason they are thinking of marriage or proposal to you. Some good news is coming in your life today, is happening, unfolding today for you all guys, Leos, and they are revealing everything, all their secrets to you, and they trust you because they trust you. So, a very positive energy for your relationship, Leos. Let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We have Queen of Water. So, you are someone really talented, skilled, and today you are having that beautiful understanding. You know what will work well in your work circumstances and what will be the right choices. You have clarity and you have a better understanding. So, that is what I see with these cards, Leos, for your energies today. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, Leos, that will follow right now. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Leos. Stay tuned, guys. Pick a card is coming right now. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So, you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So, you are going through a lot. So, these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So, that is the energy here with this card. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So, with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening, and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.